SGMan123 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm reacting to my friend eating 5 cicadas. I think he actually does it. Yeah, I watched a bit.
Welcome back to
Yeah.
another video. In today's vlog, so pretty much, if you read the title, you can tell we're going to be eating a cicada. By the way, I'm all wet because I went outside and it's raining to grab cicadas.
Okay, so bit of backstory. So he was in Florida, and so if I forget who he was betting on, but if they lost, he would eat 5 cicadas. And so, oh. that person he was betting on lost. So now he has to eat 5 cicadas.
So pretty much, right here, we have 5 cicadas. We have 2 real ones. They're all dead. But 2 real ones and then 3 shells. And we're going to put them all in a blender and make a smoothie and drink them. So, yeah, let's roll right into that. Alright, so basically we're going to make a smoothie. We're going to put all of those 5 cicadas in there and then we're going to have to drink it. So first we're going to start off with some milk. Put the milk in.
Oh wow. Cicada milkshake. Yeah, that's gross.
Too much, but whatever. So basically we're going to be trying to make it as nasty as possible. So we're going to put Dr. Pepper in. Why not?
What? Dr. Pepper? Ew.
Alright, next we're getting some ice.
Okay. Oh. Cicada shells and live cicadas.
That should be enough ice. And then we'll put the cicadas in.
I'm surprised the spirits are letting him doing this.
And then what else should we put? M&M's, because why not?
Oh.
M&M's.
Oh my.
And then we're going to put in butter, because that'll make it nasty.
Ugh.
And ketchup. And pickle juice. So,
Ugh.
the last ingredients are ketchup. Ew. Butter.
Yeah, Bobby. Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh, spilled it everywhere.
Cleaning and messes go together. That's what I say.
Pickle juice.
Catchphrase. Yeah.
That's musty. And now, yep, I'll throw pickle on. Now, actually, I feel like, is that enough? I feel like we need like more substance, so more Dr. Pepper.
I feel like that's good. Oh my, he's adding more. One second. So, I didn't know that that his family bought butter, specifically meant for it. It's easy. You just take a stick of butter, put it in a ceramic mug, put it in the microwave until it melts, and then you take it out and pour it on the popcorn. Okay? Tommy, hopefully you're watching this, but tell your parents how easy it is to just get butter for popcorn without having to spend extra money on it. Okay? I made popcorn yesterday, and it was easy. I just put a bit of butter in a mug, put it in the microwave, melted it, and then poured it on. Also, I bet that tastes gross. Yeah, well, let's continue.
That is disgusting. And also, we're going to throw in
Well,
some
duh.
ice, and it'll be like a shake.
Okay, gross cicada milkshake.
Ow.
Honestly, tell me, who is the camera person?
Alright. Let's do ice cream.
Okay, because you need to teach them how to be a better camera person.
Bruh, why is it hard as a rock?
Put it in the microwave for a
Did
bit.
it work?
Either that or heat up the spoon.
Don't open that. That's brand new.
Oh, okay. We're not using ice
Okay.
cream. Alright, close it. And
Dude, put away the ice cream.
okay, we're gonna mix it up.
Oh, yeah, that's gross.
And we're gonna mix it
Yeah,
up for
that
our
was
buddy.
loud.
I'll see you guys when that's done. Alright, so we are done with this. Oh my, it smells so bad. This is what it looks like.
Oh,
Smell it. Oh my, that's terrible.
thank God computers. Thank God scientists haven't invented smell-o-vision cameras.
Dude, that smells terrible.
And if they did, it would probably be
Alright,
expensive for a few hundred years, like video cameras. And even now, specialized video cameras can be expensive. So yeah.
We're gonna dump some chocolate syrup in it.
Oh, dude, why are you doing this to yourself, man?
Alright. Then we're gonna dump this in.
I thought you were just gonna eat 5 cicadas, not this gross smoothie.
And then we're gonna put crumble some Pringles.
Ew.
Pringles. If you never had barbecue Pringles, they're literally the best. We're gonna put some on it.
Dude, original or cheddar are the best, okay? Original or cheddar. Those are the only two good kinds of Pringles.
A little bit of blueberry syrup for ices.
Oh wow, oh wow.
And yeah, so now we're gonna mix it up.
Also, Tommy, we go to the same school. They're called snow cones. Okay, Tommy? They're called snow cones.
This is our final product.
Whoa.
The ingredients are
Bon appetit, Tommy.
butter, barbecue Pringles, blue icy mix, no, we didn't put ice cream, icy, 5 cicadas, and I think that's it.
Bon appetit.
Dr. Pepper, that's what we have.
Bon appetit, Thomas.
In the kitchen, well, in the dining room when I drink it. Alright, here we go. Time to guzz. This is probably going to be the worst drink I've ever had. It's going to be like so bad.
Oh my.
One time I should like give my friends one of this and like tell them it's like a chocolate shake. Like that's what kind of looks like.
Oh, I can see a family picture behind him. Oh, weird. That room looks like my cousin's dining room. Tommy just goes to school with me. He's not my cousin. I doubt he even knows my cousins.
I'm gonna need to like cover my nose. I'm dead serious.
That's what you get, Tommy. Okay, yeah. Now that was disgusting.
Bro, I can't. Oh my, that's nasty. I actually want to throw up. I actually want to throw up.
Nice job, Thomas. Nice job.
Cut the camera.
Tommy.
This is must. That was so bad.
Tommy. You put that on yourself. You could have just bit into 5 cicadas by themselves.
Change of plans. So that's actually going to be the end of the video. So pretty much I leave. So today is Wednesday. I filmed this last Thursday. And then so I leave Friday to go to Michigan. We're going to have a Michigan vlog. But I'm also going to vlog tomorrow.
Are you kidding
I
me?
think. I'm also going to vlog tomorrow, I think. And if I do vlog tomorrow, there will be a video on Sunday on that vlog. And then there's also going to be a Michigan vlog. So, yeah, stay tuned for all those videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. And, peace.
Okay, so if you haven't already, check out his channel. Subscribe to him. I mean, I only have like 4 subscribers as of now. So, hey, any subscribers is is a good amount of subscribers when you're starting out. Huh. But his channel is Tommy J. I feature it on the homepage. So yeah. Oh, but yeah. Also, all my friends get to travel. Meanwhile, the most I'm traveling is for my school DC trip in August. So basically, for 2/3 of the summer, I'm stuck here in Cincinnati. Yeah. But hey, at least we have good chili. Can't say that about any other state. So who knows? Maybe I'm actually lucky by not traveling. Okay, well, see ya everyone. And make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe comment. Yeah. Bye.